Right, okay, before we watch this video, I'd just like to say I've had a good sort of, we go into a bit more depth with this video, looking at where the rust is and how bad it is, and you know, I'm still deciding whether or not it's worth keeping. There is a lot of rust on it, but it only seems to be small areas, and I don't mind, I've got time, I can tackle it. But there are panels that have got, you know, a fair bit of rust on them, but if I can save the panel and patch repair it, I'm quite happy doing that. I know a lot of people would rather get new panels and put them on, but you know, that's big money. They're not that easy to get hold of now. So I'm quite happy patching up a panel, as long as I'm treating it and putting primer on it. It's as long as the rust is gone, then I don't see a problem with that, and I'm quite happy doing that. So I don't want to put a whole new panel on for a little area of rust on it. It's been where it is for a long time. If there's joints and bits that aren't rusty, I don't want to start pulling them off and putting new bits in, make it more susceptible for corrosion. But you'll see where I'm up to and how far I've got and what my sort of thoughts are the more I look into it. I hope you enjoy it. Do a video where it's just me grinding rust away or pulling up sound deadening, or I'm trying not to get it boring. It's just a basic outline, but also I'm trying to show you a bit of what I'm doing rather than just me talking about it. So I don't know what people prefer, but if you make a comment, I can change or do something different. But at the moment, I'm just sort of plodding along, doing what I normally do, and sometimes there's pictures with writing on, and sometimes I'm doing a bit of a talking bit. See what you think anyway.